Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I do not remember the name of the artist and I do not even remember the name of the song, but I do remember some of the wordings of the lyric. So if you remember the name of the artist or the song from the lyrics, then please comment in the comment section. So the lyrics go, Connyman die, Connyman bury am. Connyman die, Connyman bury am. It's a throwback to about 25 years ago in Nigeria, and I think it's high life music. So with that guys, I bring you this. I have no regrets citing 18 billion naira transport university in Buhari's village Daura, and it's Rotimi Amaechi saying this. So that's the headline. I have no regrets citing 18 billion naira transport university in Buhari's village Daura, and it is a headline attributed to the Minister of Transport, Rotimi Amaechi. So now let's see what now this Rivers State man has to say this time around. The Minister for Transport, Rotimi Amaechi, has stated that he has no regret citing the $50 million, 18 billion naira transport university in President Buhari's village, Daura, in Katsina State. Amaechi, who spoke at the groundbreaking ceremony of the university, which will be built on 413 hectares donated by the Katsina State government on Monday, December the 2nd, stated that Daura deserves the project because it is in Nigeria. When we cited the factory in Kajola, there was no noise, nobody debated about it, nobody abused us for it, unlike the site for the university. Daura is in Nigeria. It is not in any other part of the world. It is not in Niger Republic, Biafra or Mali. It is in Nigeria. So what is wrong in citing the University of Transport in Daura? I have no regrets citing this university where I have cited it. It is not because I want to get any gain, Amaechi said. It is my attempt at responding to the question of how to maintain and manage all the infrastructure we are building, and realized that education is key. I engaged the companies. The first engagement was when they were constructing Lagos Ibadan. They were not so keen on spending their funds to build a university in Nigeria until I refused to sign the contract for the Lagos to Ibadan railway. I insisted that I will only sign if three things were done. The first thing is to take our children to China and train them by giving them first degrees in railway technology. Today, as I speak, 60 of our children are in their second year, and we thank CCECC. And 90 are on their way to China this week, making 150. The second is that if we must sign the purchase of locomotives in China, they must build a factory where we can construct coaches, locomotives, and wagons. And today at Kajola, that factory is being constructed. Finally, I insisted on the University of Transportation, and today we're here for the groundbreaking of the university. And for all, we are grateful to CCECC and the Chinese government. So now this is now what Rotimi Amaechi has to say for himself, trying to justify citing the University for Transportation in Daura. Now look at Daura. Daura is in the middle of nowhere because Katsina is a nondescript state that really offers nothing. So you are now saying you are citing the Ministry of Transportation in Daura, especially specializing in railway technology. But then of course there's no railway that should be going through Daura, because Daura of course is just a satellite town. There's absolutely nothing about Daura other than the fact that Malam Buhari comes from there. If you remove that element from it, then it might as well be called Bugubugu or something. It's just some nondescript place where nothing happens. So now they're building rail terminals there, they're citing universities there in order to then force an economy on the place. But then of course this is going to be a white elephant project because nobody is going to go there. People will go and train internationally. There'll be no need for any railway to pass through there because nobody lives in Daura and nothing happens in Daura, and the trains will just pass through. It's just a real diversion of funds and a real waste of money. If you want to be citing railways, you can cite it in in Kano, in Kaduna, in Gombe. You can cite it in Onitsha. You can cite it in Anambra. You can cite it in Ibadan, which is probably the best place for it because that's the city of knowledge in Nigeria. That's the seat of knowledge in Nigeria, Ibadan, of course. You know, so you can cite it in all of these places, but there are some dusty, deadbeat place where nothing happens. You are citing it there. But why is this? Of course, it's because your head malam is from there. This is really the only reason, and it's Rankadede. So as I said, Koniman die, Koniman buriam. Conversations in the comment section, as I said, Koniman die, Koniman buriam. Who's the Koniman here? Come tell me thoughts about this university being cited in Malam Buhari's home village in the comment section. But before you do this, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this palaver in the comment section. So I'll meet you there. Leave you here, but here I say peace.